Hello everyone, Adam F6B Adventures here. I ride a 2022 Honda Goldwing and I record all of my trips and throw them up on YouTube. If you're into motorcycles, hockey, or any sort of adventure, you're at the right place. Hopefully you guys ride safe and maybe I'll see you guys down the road. See ya. So we're on our way to a place where they said, according to the locals, that you can see bald eagles, sea lions, and fishies. And I want to see all of them, so let's go look at them. Look at this sign. Let's go check it out. So we made it to the Gulch. I'm not the only one here, so that's cool. And I already saw some animals, so that's even cooler. Let's go check it out. So we're here, like I said, at the Solomon Gulch, and look at this. This is about as cool as it gets. They said there would be bald eagles here. I don't see any bald eagles, but that's okay. Not yet, at least. I got that guy too. Pretty cool. But look at this. Holy shit, that's a lot of little salmons. You can see the sea lions over there. What are they doing? I don't know. Fishing for something. Oh, I see what's going on. Look at them, they're going crazy. All that, let's see if we can get a little closer. You'll see all this black stuff in the water. That's not stuff, that's a fish, a whole bunch of fish. I don't have the right shoes for this climate, but we're gonna make it work. But look at the, lots of dead salmon over here. You see the whole area is full of dead fish, dead salmon. And as you can see, the sea lions love the salmon. I was hoping to see a walrus, but I don't know if they have walruses up here. Maybe. Wow. These guys over here have the right cameras. This GoPro's not good for this kind of shot, but look at them. The sea lions are just tearing these salmon up. Look at them, they're like whiplashing the fish. That's kind of cool. Let me see if I can get close and make a shot. You might be asking yourself, why are there so many fish? Well, word on the street is all of these fish were born in that hatchery. That's why it's a hatchery. And somehow, some way, they're attracted to the hatchery because that's where they were born. They're kind of like sea turtles. They go back to where they were born to then reproduce. This kind of stuff in Texas, so. With there being so many fish here, the sea lions and bald eagles know about this, so they come and feast, right? Look at that thing. He's having the time of his life. I'm looking at you, buddy. I drove this way just to see you and your buddy, okay? That's all I did. Like, holy crap, this is cool, right? Let's go get the full, look at this waterfall on this side. Look at that. They're swimming up this little, there's a little thing over here on the left side, but let's see if we can see any right here. Look, there they are right there, you can see them. They try to swim up that waterfall And then over here, there's a little river that I think they try to swim up to. Let's go check it out here in a minute.
Welcome to the Solomon Gulch Hatchery, the largest single-species salmon hatchery in North America. This is a self-guided tour with many vantage points to view the abundant wildlife and the beautiful port of Valdez. Solomon Gulch Hatchery is owned and operated by the Valdez Fisheries Development Association, also known as VFDA. The VFDA's primary mission is to propagate local salmon stocks and to develop renewable fisheries resources that benefit sport and commercial fishermen, seafood processors, tourists, and all businesses that depend upon the fishing industry in Alaska. VFDA operates under permits authorized by the state of Alaska.
Like you'll see in my short, if this is not the Alaska experience, I don't know what is. Get to see sea lions, salmon, and yeah, I think the cool part was sea lions. I've never really seen sea lions other than like in California outside of SeaWorld. Texas, I don't know if we have sea lions, but maybe. But yeah, they're all wild here and eating good. They're at Golden Corral, looks like. Pretty cool stuff. Let's get on out here. This is the fish hatchery, kind of cool. And yeah, so this lady was giving a tour, but it's time to go back. The other guy that we were with on the ferry, should be here at 6. So I'm kind of waiting for him, but I'm like, okay, come on, dude. I want to go get some tacos. So yeah, but this is fun. This is cool. All right, so we're gonna go back and take a screenshot or take a thumbnail over there by the by the building, and then we're gonna hit the road. I'm gonna see where my buddy went. Maybe go have dinner with him. We're gonna go have tacos. They screw us up because look, they have tacos and they have ice cream. Can't go wrong with tacos.